Bakit wala ka? Ka-safety. We'll go back now to Doha City proper in Alto Mama 5K marathon done. So the winner for the first place is Luna and LA, and the third place is me, Ka-safety. Joke on. Oh, you see that? This is Lusail Boulevard. Lusail Boulevards from Lusail City. I'm part of this city. We are the pioneering staff. We are the health and safety here in Lusail.